Good morning, everyone. How are you? How are you all? Yes, I hope you all are doing good. So, welcome you all to this new and beautiful day. So, kids, now let's start our class with welcome song. Okay, everyone, how to sit? Rudraksh, cover your mouth. Every time I used to say, every one of you, whenever you are coughing, yawning, sneezing, whatever you are doing, you cover your mouth. है ना? So come on, let's start our class. So we'll sing the welcome song first. Start. We welcome you to school today, school today, school today. We welcome you to school today. Please come and play. We are glad to have you here today, here today, here today. We are glad to have you here today. Yes, it's a special day. Welcome, everyone. Kids, now we are going to sing the song Mulberry Bush. Okay? And I am looking at everyone. Yesterday I told you ना, आपको भले ही लगता हो कि मैम को पता नहीं चल रहा कि हम क्या करें, but I have an eye on each one of you. I know what you are doing and what you are not. ठीक है? चलो, let's start singing Mulberry Bush. Start. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush, so early in the morning. This is the way we wash our face, wash our face, wash our face. This is the way we wash our face, so early in the morning. This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth so early in the morning. This is the way we take a bath, take a bath, take a bath. This is the way we take a bath so early in the morning. This is the way we dress ourselves, dress ourselves, dress ourselves. This is the way we dress ourselves so early in the morning. This is the way we comb our hair, comb our hair, comb our hair. This is the way we comb our hair so early in the morning. This is the way we walk to school, walk to school, walk to school. This is the way we walk to school so early in the morning. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush so early in the morning. Okay, so kids, yes, now let's talk about the day and the date. So today, the day is Tuesday. What is the day today? Today is Tuesday and the date is 3 August 2021. What is the date today? 3 August 2021. Okay, so kids, yes, now tell me how many days are there in a week? एक वीक में कितने डेज होते हैं? How many days? Yes, there are 7 days in a week. Come on, let's say it together. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Sunday is a holiday. Okay, now how many months are there in a year? एक साल में कितने months होते हैं? How many months are there in a year? So there are 12 months. How many months? There are 12 months in a year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, so these are the 12 months of a year. All right, kids, now let's start our class. So get your English 2 copy. Today you all get your English 2 copy. As you remember, I told in one of the previous class that you had four-line copies, out of which you have to make 2 for English, 1 GK and 1 English 2. So kindly get your English 2 copy today. So what we are going to do? We are going to do one and many, which we had done yesterday only. You only have 2 copies, ma'am. But in the course, there are 4 copies. Okay, no problem. You kindly get 2 more copies of 4-line. Okay. So today we are going to write one and many in copy. Okay. Yesterday I told you about one and many. One and many. When there is one thing, जब कोई चीज एक होती है तो उसे हम वन कहते हैं, और जब एक से ज्यादा होती है, when there is something which is more than one, तो it becomes many. वो many हो जाता है, बहुत सारा. जैसे one apple, and जब एक से ज्यादा एप्पल होगा तो we can say many apples. ठीक है? So yesterday I told you कि when we have to convert one into many, जब हमें एक को many में convert करना है, apple, जब हमें एक को many में convert करना है तो we have to add on s, हमको s लगाना पड़ेगा, तो वो many बन जाएगा. तो apple become apples. One apple, many apples. One apple, many apples. Okay. One means ek, and when there is something more than one, so we say it many. वो many बन जाता है. Okay. So first of all, you write down the heading. First of all, you write down today's date, that is 3/8/2021, and then write down the heading. One and many. One and many. Okay. So मैम यहाँ पर लिख रहे हैं, मैम is writing on the board, you have to copy it. ठीक है? Write down the date first, as I used to say every day, whatever. It's okay, Columbi. That is a genuine reason. It's okay. So I told you, every time I used to tell you, okay, whatever you are writing, whenever you start doing some work, so first of all, you have to write down the date of that particular day. जिस दिन आप वर्क कर रहे हो उस दिन की आपको डेट लिखनी है. So today is 3/8/2021. August is the 8th month. So we have written 8 instead of August. One and many. Okay. So Kids, you have to make one margin in the middle of the page. पेज के मिडिल में आप एक मार्जिन बनाओ. You have to make one margin in the middle of the page. आपके पेज के मिडिल में आप स्केल से एक मार्जिन बनाओ. In case of any doubt, kindly ask me. अगर आपको कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है या any other issue, you kindly feel free to ask me. Okay, written kids, you have to write down the date, the heading, and then make one margin in the middle. Okay, so kids, now अब आपने ये जो दो बॉक्स बनाए हैं, in the first box you have to write down 1. First line में आपको बॉक्स में 1 लिखना है, and the next box you have to write down many. The heading is separate. First of all, आपको heading लिखनी है first line में, then from the second line make a margin in the middle. एक box में you have to write 1 and the another box you have to write many. Then start writing number 1. Okay, look. So the first one is BOOK, book. One book. One book. Now, अब इस book को हमको many में convert करना है. So what we have to do? We have to add on S. So it becomes many books. One book, many books. Read and write. Read the spelling and then write. One book, many books. Then number 2, TREE. Look, there is one blend. TREE, tree. One tree. One tree. अब now हम टी को कन्वर्ट करेंगे, ट्री को, वन ट्री को मैनी ट्री में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. So what we are going to add? S. So it becomes many trees. Okay? Many trees. One book, many books. One tree, many trees. Like this, whenever you want to convert the one into many, then you have to add on S at the ending. Tree and trees. The next one. Ball. B-A-double-L. Ball. So, one ball. One ball. Now, we have to convert ball into many balls. So, what we are going to do? We are going to add on S at the end of the ball. So, it becomes many balls. Many balls. Okay. Now number 4. Kids, read and then write. Okay. And if you are finding any difficulty, kindly ask me. Chalo, now read. B A double L double O N. Balloon. One balloon. One balloon. Now we have to convert it into many. So we are going to add S. So it becomes one balloon से convert होकर क्या बनेगा? Many balloons. Many balloons. Many balloons. The board is visible, no? The board is visible to everyone? All right. And as I can see, many of you are not wearing the uniform today also. Kids, this is your class. Why you all want me to become strict? Kindly wear the uniform while attending the class. Suppose अभी आपको स्कूल आना होता तो आप कलर ड्रेस में स्कूल आते? Then why? This is the class note, so you have to attend class after wearing the uniform. Now, as I don't have space here, so I am erasing it. Okay? आप लोगों को continuity में लिखना है. Then the next one is STAR. अच्छा, kids, मैंने आपको बताया था ना, whenever you are reading word or sentences, हमने जो भी डायग्राफ पढ़े हैं, blends पढ़े हैं, A कहाँ आ रहा है, N कहाँ आ रहा है, सबको नोटिस करना. Okay? Notice each and everything. Look, there is one blend. ST. Stop. Stop. R. Star. One star. Many stars. For making one, for converting one into many, we have to add on S at the end of the word. One star, many stars. Number 6 is FLOWER, flower. FLOWER, flower. So, one flower and many flowers. You have to add on S at the end of the word. Flower. There's one more blend. Flower. Flower. One star, many stars. One flower, many flowers. Number 7th is kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. One kite. One kite. And when we have to convert one kite into many, so we have to add on S. So one kite, many kites. Many kites. Many kites. It's a very simple thing. I hope you all understand. Acha, one more thing. Tomorrow, parents, pay attention. Tomorrow, I am going to take the test of one and many. Tomorrow, I am going to take the test of one and many. Okay? They have to convert one into many. I am going to take the test of one into many. One kite, many kites. Then number 8, pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil. One pencil. One pencil. And many pencils. We add on S. Many pencils. One pencil, many pencils. Come on, we are going to say the rhyme picnic. Okay, you all have to say along with ma'am, as you all know the rhyme now. आप सबको मैम के साथ बोलना है. All right, let's start. आओ बच्चों पिकनिक जाएं, सैर सपाटा तुम्हें कराएं, मेट्रो ट्रेन में बिठा कर दिल्ली शहर तुम्हें दिखाएं, खेले कूदे खूब मजे से, नहीं गंदगी कहीं फैलाएं. Come on, kids, you all have to do. Start. आओ बच्चों पिकनिक जाएं, श्रेयस सैर सपाटा तुम्हें कराएं, मेट्रो ट्रेन में बिठाकर दिल्ली शहर तुम्हें दिखाए, खेले कूदे खूब मजे से, नहीं गंदगी कहीं फैलाए. All right. Okay, kids. Yes, पर completed. Show your